Hey guys, back. Okay. There's a common problem with these things breaking. This is for the left side. There's a good right side I needed for one of my cars. Let's see how good or how horrible I am at taking one of these out without destroying it. It's got two tabs like here. And if I'm lucky enough, I can get it out. Oh, I saved it. Just push right here a little bit. Right here, and it popped right out. This is a success. Very happy about this right now. You guys have no clue how happy I'm about having this piece not broken.